Live to Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, where next month, one airline is foregoing social distancing in the sky and booking flights to capacity. But new technology could also change the way planes are cleaned for the coronavirus.
Yeah, and it's being tested by another airline right here in Seattle. KIRO 7's LINZI Sheldon is at the live desk tonight. LINZI, a lot of passengers are really concerned about staying healthy.
And people we spoke to say that some passengers simply aren't wearing masks on board and the mask requirements are not being enforced. Their concerns come as airlines like Alaska roll out new steps like a UV light system we're about to show you here, all in an effort to make passengers feel safer.
This is my first flight back from the pandemic, and in first class, out of the 9 people that were in first class, 4 were not wearing masks.
Tiffany FETTERS has to travel for her work in sales. She says on an Alaska Airlines flight from Phoenix to Seattle last week, she was surprised by the lack of face coverings.
The frustration from the flight attendants. I politely asked, hey, aren't they mandatory? And, the look in his eyes was like, I can't make them do anything.
FETTERS says the people in front of her were leaning back to talk to the person across the aisle from her. None wearing masks like hers or the other passengers. Today, Alaska told us in part, our flight attendants use their training to help guide them on how to respond and to learn more about why a guest is not wearing a mask or face covering. We're evaluating other methods to ensure compliance and working with our unions on the best ways to do that. The airline has been touting its steps to protect passengers from COVID-19, including upgraded cleaning policies. Today we learned it's also testing new UV light technology from Honeywell.
This is the first product that's actually specifically designed using what's been used in hospitals for decades, which is UV light. UV light has been proven effective for many years on reducing other types of viruses. There is no studies available as of yet on the COVID.
Alaska is blocking off all middle seats on large aircraft and aisle seats on smaller aircraft through July 31st. It's something American Airlines is now halting, moving to book flights to capacity starting July 1st. But American, which has also stepped up cleaning, has enforced its mask policy. It even took a man off a flight earlier this month for refusing to wear one. Tiffany FETTERS says she'd like to see flight attendants on Alaska with the power to do the same.
The part that really infuriated me, and I know it infuriated the flight attendant, is at the very end, one of the gentlemen stands up, pulls a mask out of his pocket to put it on to leave the plane.
Well, American says it will allow customers to move to available flights that aren't as crowded without cost. As for masks, there is no law requiring them while flying. The Federal Aviation Administration has declined requests by airlines and their labor unions to make masks mandatory. At the live desk, I'm LINZI Sheldon, KIRO 7 News.